Welcome back. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar has criticized the state BJP government. He said that law and order situation in the state is deteriorating. There is huge increase in crime rate during last 6 months. He has also alleged that the Balrat drivers are not paid their salaries. He claimed that the government is facing financial constraints within half year.
ज्याच्या हातीन सत्ता आसा तो मनीस खंयची सुस्तावलेली शासन पद्धती असली जर जायत जाल्यार ती जाग्यार हाडूंक शकता मुखार 2 ते 3 महिन्या भितर. त्यामुळे पुलीस सुस्तावलेला आसा अशें म्हणप आनी लोकांक जे जनतेक जे त्रास जातात खंय डेकॉयटी जाता खंय मर्डर जातात कितले मर्डर जाले 2-3 महिन्यात. म्हाका दिसता आमकां मिडियाच्या लोकांक फूल पेपरच डिवोट करचो पडटलो. फाटले 3 ते 4 महिन्याक बसीचे ड्रायव्हर जे भुरग्यांची ने आण करतात तांकां पगाराचो पत्तोच ना. सादे ड्रायव्हर तांकां 7,000 आनी 5,000 जो पेमेंट मेळटा पाडन बालरथाचे ड्रायव्हर्स आनी तुगेले क्लिनर्स आसात ते तांकां सादो पेमेंट 7,000 आनी 5,000 हो सुद्दां दिवपा सरकारांनी पयशे नात. आनी आतां सुरवात जाता थंय आसा की 6 महिन्या भितर सरकाराक 200 कोटी घेवचे पडल्यात. म्हणून मुखाल्ल्या 5 वर्सां भितर गोंयच्या जनतेचेर हें सरकार कितलें रीण तयार करून दवरतलें हाची कल्पना आमी करूं शकतात.
Every rider will have to wear helmets compulsory on all the roads in Goa. However, decision on wearing helmets on internal roads will be taken by the Chief Minister. Compulsion of helmet for the pillion rider has been deferred. Also, private buses of more than 15 to 20 years will be given subsidy by the government to replace old buses with the new buses. The notification of the same will be out within next week.
It has been decided to put up the matter before Honorable CM because it has got lot of repercussions that we'll discuss it with Honorable CM, and it has been in principle decided that we would be making wearing of helmet compulsory for riders all over the Goa. The decision regarding pillion rider, we will be taking a decision later on. Subsidy has been announced from 2.25 lakh rupees to 3.5 lakh rupees for all those vehicles which are 15 years to 20 years old as far as bigger bus is concerned. As far as minibus is concerned, also there is an increase from 2 lakhs to 2,75,000 rupees. This is for vehicles which are 15 to 20 years old.
As it is said, fortune favors the brave and the strugglers. Odisha is such an event organized by the Saraswat College which gives the participants a chance to be a winner amongst the winners. Odisha event was inaugurated on Thursday at the ESG. This event will go on till Saturday. Colleges across India have participated in this grand event.
The people who participate are all champions from your respective colleges, and that's the reason why you are here today. You are already a winner. Now you got to be a winner amongst the winners. Now what it takes to be a winner? Is it the knowledge? Is it the confidence? Is it the motivation? Is it the presence of mind? Is it the dedication towards the event? I think it's a combination of all this and more.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.